Today I'm upgrading my RAM on my Acer Predator Helios. Full disclosure, I'm a beginner. We start by opening up the back cover. Then using a pry tool, we're going to pry open the back cover to come off. Here are the guts. I'll show you what each slot is. These are your expandable M.2 slots. Make sure to unplug your battery. These are your RAM slots. Push these pins to the side. Put your new cards in. Here's where I made my first mistake. I ordered the wrong cards. They weren't compatible with my laptop. And the only way they found out was put it all back together, turn it on. I read online that you're supposed to let it sit and let the computer do its thing, but I let it sit for 30 minutes, nothing happened. So I took the new cards out and put the old ones back in. You live and you learn. This was my humble reminder to do my research.